Yes, we have a brand new 2027 Wolf Pack travel trailer toy hauler. Look at that. It is so sweet. The top and the bottom black stripes are actually colored fiberglass, not decals. That is just slick. You got the mirrored glass. You got spot right in here. It is prepped for a generator if you decide to add one. 12 volt kill switch. We're going to put a brand new Group 27 battery on there. Electric tongue jack. You're going to get filled propane tanks. It's backup camera and side camera prepped, which is slick. Another spray port right here, and then you have a tankless water heater. All your water needs right there. They put a spot on the outside right here so you could reach into your tie downs. 30-gallon tank for, it's like going to the gas station. You fill that up and then you take the gas station with you. How can you beat that, right? Look at that nice fiberglass. It's backup camera prepped, like I said. There's a spare tire underneath. Super easy to get to. Speakers on the outside. You could tie up your dog right there. This has been really popular too. See how tight these are together? So many brands put them so far apart that they just flap in the wind. This is nice and strong. Look at that mirrored window. I mean, just keeps the sun out, but from the inside, you'll notice that it's easy to see out. And you have that huge awning. That lights up. It's really sweet in the dark when it goes. Look at all this storage. Got a ton of storage here. Little shelf. That's the solar controller right there, so you can keep an eye on your voltage, and you'll know if it's working because it'll show you. And then electric stabilizing jacks front and back. Now let's run inside. It's heated and closed underbelly. Like I said, it's got solar on the roof. And brand new this year, it has the pad. Everything's touch. You touch it, boom, comes on. You can run the lights and everything right off of that pad if you want. Oh, look at all the tie downs. Holy Michael, there's a bunch of tie downs. This table will flip down out of the way. Comes with the TV. This will light up blue. You push a button, it lights up blue. Nice big over 10 cubic foot fridge. It's got the stainless steel, the dark stainless steel sink. It looks really cool with the glass washer. And then you have max air vent right there. And this is the one, you see the little umbrella. So if it starts to rain, it closes itself automatically. You got some cabinets up there, and then you got a second bed. You could pull this down, grab one side, boom, pull it down the other side, and it's on gas struts, so it makes it easy to use. Windows, both sides and there. Lots of window space. And then, of course, you can pull this down, keep the mosquitoes out. It's kind of a zippered screen. And then you have the playpen. So when this is in, how do you say, porch mode, deck mode, instead of a ramp, you can put that and it goes all the way around. I'm sure there's pictures on the website that I took. Plug-ins everywhere. Plug, charger, plug on that side. Let's go look in the bedroom. Ah, wait, I gotta show you this. Air fryer. Another camera. All kinds of camera spots. In the bathroom. Foot flush. Porcelain toilet. Shower surround. Nice high ceilings. There's another one of those vents that close on their own. All that storage on the side. Working cabinet. There's the remote for the vent. Tankless water heater, like I said. There's the thermostat for it. Your sink. Now, some people don't like that this is open, but if you ever get a bunch of towels, even cheap ones, roll them up, put them in there, 2 on 2 on 2, different colors, it would look really sweet. That's what my wife says. She's the smart one in the family. Storage under there, storage under there. Nice big bed. Storage on each side, up top. And then you have your second air conditioner and more spots. You could put a TV on the wall there. You could put holy moly, you could put a 50-inch TV up there if you wanted to. What a cool toy hauler. Come get you one. Brand new 2027. That's a lot of tie downs. And they're like 2,500 pounds a piece, is what the rep told me. So plenty of cargo capacity too. It's like, I think it's like over 3,000 pounds. It's listed in there anyway. If you want to come, here's a book for you. It's all in there. Come check it out. Come buy one. You can't miss on this guy. I even have a list in my office that says what size side-by-sides will fit in here. So if you have a certain side-by-side, we can definitely look it up, and I'll let you know what fits. Thank you. Bye now.